Are you tired of crawling under your car in cramped garage spaces? Struggling with maintenance because your ceiling's too low for traditional lifts? You're not alone. Today, we're breaking down the 5 absolute best car lifts specifically designed for home garages with low ceilings. These game changers will transform your DIY experience without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description box below for current pricing and availability. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Atlas 9K BPX, a serious piece of equipment that brings commercial-grade lifting to your home garage. This baseplate-style 2-post lift handles an impressive 9,000 pounds while requiring only 9 feet 6 inches of ceiling height. What makes this lift special is its symmetric arm design and dual hydraulic chain drive cylinders. You get professional-level performance with smooth, reliable operation every single time. The baseplate design eliminates overhead structures, making it perfect for those ceiling-challenged garages we're all dealing with. The build quality is absolutely solid. We're talking heavy-duty steel construction that'll last decades. Installation does require concrete anchoring, but once it's in, you've got a permanent solution that adds serious value to your workspace. The lifting capacity means you can work on everything from compact cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. Here's something to consider though, this is a permanent installation that requires professional setup and concrete work. If you're renting or planning to move, this might not be your best option. But if you're settled and serious about your garage setup, the Atlas delivers unmatched stability and capacity. The clear floor space underneath gives you complete access to your vehicle, making oil changes, transmission work, and suspension repairs a breeze. For the serious home mechanic who wants commercial-grade equipment, this lift checks every box. Moving up to number 4, let's talk about the QuickJack 5000 TL, the perfect entry point into portable lifting technology. This compact powerhouse handles 5,000 pounds while collapsing to just 3.5 inches when not in use. The genius of this design lies in its complete portability. No permanent installation, no concrete work, no complicated setup. You literally roll these frames under your car, connect the power unit, and you're lifting in minutes. The 24-inch lift height creates the perfect working position for brake jobs, oil changes, and routine maintenance. What really impressed me is the build quality from BendPak, a company that's been perfecting hydraulic lifts for decades. The engineering here is top-notch, with safety features that rival much more expensive systems. You get precise control over lifting and lowering, plus automatic shutoffs for peace of mind. Storage is where this really shines for smaller garages. When you're done working, these frames slide under workbenches or hang on wall brackets. Your garage floor stays completely clear for parking. Now, the weight limit of 5,000 pounds might be restrictive if you're working on larger vehicles. Full-size trucks and heavy SUVs could push beyond this capacity. But for most sedans, compact SUVs, and sports cars, it's absolutely perfect. The 110-volt power requirement means you plug into any standard outlet, no special electrical work needed. For weekend warriors and occasional mechanics, this offers professional lifting capability without the permanent commitment or massive investment. At number 3, we're stepping up to the QuickJack 7000 TL bundle, and this is where things get really interesting for serious home mechanics. This complete package includes everything you need: the lift system, truck adapters, wall hangers, and ALI certification for peace of mind. The 7,000-pound capacity opens up possibilities for larger vehicles while maintaining that crucial portability factor. You're looking at the same 3.5-inch collapsed height, but now with the strength to handle most pickup trucks, full-size SUVs, and even some commercial vehicles safely. What sets this bundle apart is the inclusion of truck adapters. These extend the reach for longer wheelbases and higher ground clearance vehicles. Suddenly, you're not limited to just cars. Your F-150, Suburban, or Tahoe becomes just as accessible as a Civic. The ALI certification is huge for safety-conscious buyers. This independent testing ensures the lift meets rigorous PCA safety standards. You're getting peace of mind that this equipment won't fail when you're underneath. The 5-year structural warranty shows QuickJack's confidence in their engineering. That's longer coverage than most permanent lifts offer, which speaks volumes about build quality and reliability. One consideration is the price point. You're paying premium for the bundle and that higher capacity. If you're mainly working on lighter vehicles, the 5000 TL might serve you just as well for less money. Setup remains incredibly simple, but the added accessories mean a bit more complexity in storage and organization. The wall hangers help, but you'll need dedicated space for all components when not in use. Coming in at number 2, the Albott 5000 LBS portable car lift represents incredible value in the portable lift market. This newcomer is making waves by delivering reliable performance at a price point that makes professional-grade lifting accessible to every home mechanic. Don't let the lower price fool you. Albott has engineered a solid lifting solution that handles 5,000 pounds with confidence. The low-profile design works perfectly in garages with restricted ceiling height, and the portable nature means you're not committed to permanent installation. What's impressive is how Albott achieved cost savings without sacrificing safety. The heavy-duty steel construction feels robust, and the hydraulic system operates smoothly and predictably. You get precise control over lifting speed and positioning, which is crucial when working underneath your vehicle. The compact storage capability is a game-changer for smaller garages. These units fold down and tuck away, leaving your entire floor space available for parking. The 110-volt power requirement keeps things simple. Just plug into any standard outlet and start lifting. Assembly and initial setup are straightforward, with clear instructions that don't require advanced mechanical knowledge. Most users report getting up and running in under an hour on first use. Here's the potential drawback. Being newer to the market, Albott doesn't have the decades of proven track record that brands like QuickJack offer. Long-term reliability data is limited, though early user reports are overwhelmingly positive. The 5,000-pound limit also restricts use to lighter vehicles. If you're planning to work on full-size trucks or heavy SUVs regularly, you might find yourself wanting more capacity down the road. And taking the top spot, we have the Albott 7000 LBS portable car lift, the perfect sweet spot of capacity, portability, and value that's revolutionizing home garage lifting. This lift delivers everything serious home mechanics need: 7,000 pounds of lifting capacity in a completely portable package that works with low ceiling constraints. You get the strength to handle virtually any passenger vehicle, most pickup trucks and SUVs, while maintaining the flexibility to store the system when not needed. The engineering here impresses me most. Albott managed to create a lift that rivals established brands in performance while undercutting them significantly on price. The hydraulic system is smooth and responsive, safety features are comprehensive, and the build quality feels like it'll last for years of regular use. What really sets this apart is the combination of high capacity with user-friendly operation. The learning curve is minimal. Even first-time users report feeling confident and safe during operation. The low-profile design means it works in garages where traditional lifts simply won't fit. Storage convenience can't be overstated for home users. When you're done working, these components pack away efficiently, returning your garage to full functionality for parking and other activities. The one consideration is that as the newest player in this space, we don't have long-term data on durability and customer support. However, early adoption feedback is extremely positive, and the value proposition is compelling enough to take that calculated risk. For the home mechanic who wants maximum lifting capability without permanent installation or premium pricing, this represents the best overall package available today. Each of these lifts solves the low ceiling challenge differently, but all deliver professional results in home garage settings. Check those description links for current deals and start transforming your workspace today.